Hi, I'm Nancy Dadami with nancydadami.com. Do you make intentions? Do you write your intentions? Do you create what it is that you want? Well, I want to talk about that today. And I'm going to start out by using an example from life. I went out to a pizza parlor with a friend of mine, and she ordered a pizza with mushrooms, extra cheese, and tomatoes. They took her order. They said it would take 20 minutes. I made an order. We went and sat down. During that 20 minutes, she was saying things to me like, I wonder if they'll put black olives on there. I don't want those. Maybe they'll burn the crust. Or maybe the extra cheese won't be just right. Maybe they'll forget to do that. She spent 20 minutes talking about what might not go right for her. But the thing is, the pizza parlor wants to make her happy. So they want to deliver her the pizza she ordered. She even asked the waitress one time if the pizza was going to be done on time and if it was going to have those 3 toppings on it. So when you create intentions and you act that way, that you're going to delay what it is you're wanting, you are sending a mixed message out about what you want, because the universe cannot tell the difference between what you're saying you want and what you're saying you don't want. So if you go into a restaurant and you order something and they say it's going to be 20 minutes, if you just spend time chit-chatting with your friend, look at your phone, read a book, your pizza will come and it will be just the way you wanted it. And that's how the universe works too. You make your intention and you have to wait for it to come. You can't keep second guessing and wondering if, oh, did I say it wrong? Why isn't it coming? You're just confusing the message. I want to tell you today about a course I just created called The Secrets to Creating Intentions into Reality. In this course, you will get the tools and a step-by-step system to help you create intentions that will manifest, that will become reality. So there will be no more trying to make it happen or wasting time trying to crack the code of why isn't this working for me. I would love for you to be successful in creating what it is that you want. I will put the link below, and if you're interested, you can go check out the course and see if it's right for you. Until next time, happy creating. This is Nancy Dadami.